If you are in need of Tesla-approved Model X collision repair in Bridgeview, Illinois, you have come to the right place. At TechniCraft Collision Repair Experts, we specialize in restoring your Model X after a car accident. As a Tesla-approved shop, we follow all Tesla manufacturer guidelines to ensure your vehicle is repaired to original specifications. Our team uses Tesla-approved tools, equipment, and replacement parts to deliver the highest quality repairs. Whether your Model X has sustained damage to the body panels, aluminum frame, or paint, we have the expertise to fix it. Tesla's innovative design requires specific techniques, and our technicians are trained to handle every step with precision and care. If your Model X has damage to the bumper, doors, or any other body component, we can repair or replace them and match the exact paint color with Tesla's approved paint systems. If there is structural damage, we use advanced tools designed for Tesla's aluminum construction to restore your vehicle's shape and integrity. We also work on recalibrating Tesla's safety systems, including cameras and sensors, to ensure features like autopilot and collision avoidance are fully functional. Tesla owners know how critical battery integrity is, so we always take extra precautions with the high-voltage battery system during the repair process. From minor scratches and dents to more extensive collision damage, we have the tools, training, and parts to get your Model X back to Tesla's exacting standards. When you choose TechniCraft Collision Repair Experts, you can feel confident that your Model X is in the hands of an approved repair shop. We understand the care and attention your Tesla needs, and our goal is to restore your vehicle safely and efficiently. If you've experienced a car accident and need Tesla-approved Model X collision repair in Bridgeview, Illinois, call us today to schedule a repair estimate. Let us help you get your vehicle back on the road.